So hello guys, welcome back to another video of product trends. So how's the lockdown guys? I know it's actually very boring, but don't worry guys, I'm back to make it even more boring. So guys, like every time I'm back with another new product, which is the Skullcandy Indy-Truly Wireless Earbud. So guys, if you can't actually afford an Apple AirPod, then this is a perfect alternative for the Apple AirPods. If you can't afford this one also, then this clip is for you. बुरा मत मानिए दोस्तों, भगवान है आपका पास। भगवान से तो बड़ा नहीं है, तो भगवान पे विश्वास रखो। एक ना एक दिन मैं इसको गिव अवे जरूर करूँगा। So that's a bit of inspiration from my side. So guys, I'm gonna unbox this product in just 25 seconds. So let's get started. So here we have the Skullcandy Indy-Truly Wireless Earbuds. So let's open them and check out what's inside. So guys, inside you can see there's some guides on how to start up with your earbud. And on the right side you have your charging case with earbuds. Then you get some packet. So inside the packet you get a pair of ear tips and a USB charging cable. And you get another card that helps you get started with your earbuds. So guys, firstly talking about the charging case. The charging case actually looks bulky and heavy, but it's actually very lightweight. So using this charging case, you can actually charge your earbuds up to 3 times. Like each earbuds have 4 hours of battery life, and this charging case has 12 hours of battery life. So if you have to charge your earbuds, so you just have to place your earbuds inside the charging case and they get attached magnetically to the case and starts charging. You also have the LED notification on the charge. You have 3 LEDs which indicate the battery percentage of the charging case. And guys, the earbuds actually come with full touch controls. They look very bulky and heavy, but actually they are very lightweight, and the finishing of the earbuds is also awesome. You also get the LED notification on the earbud on the top of it. So when you place the earbuds inside the charging case, you get the LED notification that it's getting charged. And when you take out the earbuds, you actually get the LED notification when both the earbuds are paired with each other. The earbuds also have ear support. This ear support is very important because it actually holds the earbuds in your ears, and they actually don't fall off very easily because of this ear support. When you have to use the earbuds, you just have to take the earbuds out and they automatically get paired with each other. These earbuds also have a built-in microphone, and the call quality of this microphone is actually very good. I've actually tested it. They also have noise isolation. Noise isolation performs very good. It isolates all the noise outside. And guys, coming to the sound quality, Skullcandy is known for bass, and its bass is actually awesome. The bass is actually not so high that it satisfies the bass-headed people, but it actually provides the right amount of bass required for the music. And the bass in this earpods is actually better than the Apple AirPods. The vocals and the instrument separation is perfect, and this earpods is IP55 water and sweat resistant, so you can actually use this while jogging and doing any kind of exercise. This earbud actually has Bluetooth 5.0 technology and has a range of 33 feet. So guys, when it comes to touch controls, if you tap on the right earbud once, the volume actually increases, and if you tap on the left earbud once, the volume decreases. So guys, when you have to skip the tracks, you just have to hold the right earbud to skip the track forward. So for backward, you just have to hold your left earbud. So if you have to pause or play the music, you just have to double tap on your right earbud. So guys, overall, if I had to rate this earbud, I would rate it as 4.5 out of 5. So guys, the price of this earbuds is almost $85. So I have actually got this for almost 7,000 rupees. You can go check out the latest price of this product. I have put the link in the description. So that's it for this video guys. So if you like this video, please do hit the like button. No, first hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So thank you for watching guys.